Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good day. Students, today we are discussing about the ACCA, their beginning of the courses, how to register with the ACCA, how to create their student membership and register for exam. We provide the study material, books, ACCA study books, ACCA study notes, kit, revision kit, and all pass cards are the help for the deserving students. If any student require this support, please get in touch with us. Join our WhatsApp group. It's details mentioned in the description, so they can ask for any detail, write up all their requirements. But main thing, join our subscribe our channel and send us your contact detail and the requirements, which study material, which paper of ACCA you require. So we definitely provide you all the required things, so which is required for the student to complete their success. And what are exemptions available for students. So all these things, whoever has done A level or intermediate or BCom graduation or BS in accounting, they can directly approach ACCA global.com and they can send their request for registration, and they will and attach their certification. So they will, at an ACCA institute itself, provide you exemption guidelines, how many papers you will be exempted and how many papers you will start with the preparing of your studies. All these things available with the institute details. Other than in some countries like in Oman, so they just overlook this area and just institute, if they just go to private institute and they just ask them to register from the beginning just to have earn their fees. But this is the students required to directly approach the ACCA for their registration. So here the purpose of this video is to we just giving a one-to-one coaching in Pakistan, Lahore, for ACCA students. We are the one. I'm Farooq Ahmad. I have teaching experience in Dubai, Oman, and Pakistan, right, around 20 years now in overall. So I give a coaching with the passing technique, with the basics, with the book knowledge, and how to crack the paper, how to passing techniques are there. How we discuss overall all areas of success. So this is not only one thing. You just read study material and study notes and go for examination. No, it's not like that. There are a lot of professional techniques, like in your working position, because I have a working experience as well with the studies and with the teaching experience. So in the practical life, what things are happening and how you are managing all these obstacles. So we discuss all these areas which are very important to understand by the student, and these are the very also important by ACCA, which they want to see the qualities in the students. So they just don't want the answers, book answers. So this is the one thing you have to keep in mind from your day one till the last paper. So you just have to update your exam writing techniques, how to answer all these subjects, and there are the techniques which we discuss. So whoever need a coaching or techniques, study material, and anything relating to their to qualify their ACCA, we provide all these services, the paid services, as well as online on this platform, in the YouTube platform. You can get it in touch with us with the link for the subscription is also available. So you can join us, subscribe and comment our videos. So whatever things you require, the free study material we are also giving to the students, needy student who need this study material, notes, and all these things are available. You just send us a message in the comment of this video. So send us your email, so we will drop you with the required things, whatever material is available with us, like study notes or ACCA or whatever paper for professional level or the fundamental level. So we would provide the study material, so it's no issue. You just but you have to subscribe this channel and send us a message in the comment of this video. So we will definitely share this all information, study material with the notes, with the passing notes and pass cards and passing techniques. So all these things are available, but the student who want one-to-one sessions, so they are also welcome. Students who want one-to-one coaching, the study kit or the solution, whatever material they require, so all services are available for the deserving student whoever need this our help and support. And just for the regular material is available our in other videos, our mock exam papers is available, our videos, earlier video you can go through, the links are also provided in the description of this email. You can join our WhatsApp group. You can get interact with the students and with other students, with other study buddies, and we will provide you uh, all details. So there is once you join our group and join our YouTube channel, so you will get all sorts of information, paid, unpaid, whatever things you require. So we will not let you down. We will provide you this all materials. Thank you for watching, and stay in touch, and wish you all the best for your studies and your all future prosperity and success. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.